How to alkalize your body naturally. That's what we're going to discuss today. Why is it important? Well, everybody knows that acids rust and basically degrade even metal. So your body is usually pretty acidic if you're living in the toxic world that we're living in. Eating meat, for example, is very acidic. Milk products are very acidic. They will rust your body. In fact, a lot of people these days are taking a high dose of vitamin C, thinking that it's going to help their immune system, when in fact, mostly they're just taking ascorbic acid, which is just part of vitamin C, but is incredibly acidic and will cause vascular disease because it burns your arteries and you lay down cholesterol to heal it. So watch your vitamin C intake, but take real vitamin C, not just ascorbic acid. And that's usually vitamin C that you get from Whole Foods. So it's called a whole food vitamin C, not from the Whole Food store, but whole food vitamin C, where they grab the vitamins right from a plant. And that will prevent you from becoming acidic just with vitamins. So, but if you're eating proteins or around smoke or taking medications are a huge one for causing the body to be acidic, then you want to try to reduce those as much as you can. Talk to your doctor about eliminating medications you may not need. And also to drink lots of water. That will help alkalize your body. Now, an alkaline body heals. Acid bodies degrade and cause disease. So the importance of alkalization is to get lots of water in you to become alkaline and get rid of toxins. So about 8 glasses of water a day is good if it's purified water. Reduce your intake of proteins to 10% to 20% of your diet, because proteins cause kidney stones and they cause a lot of acidity and burn your arteries. So you don't need as much protein as people say you need. Your body will just use its own protein breakdown and reuse it. So you only get protein when you scuff off skin cells or other natural means like that. Body will otherwise reuse its own protein. Good proteins, for example, are in avocados. They don't have a lot of carbohydrates, but a really good source of proteins. So fruits and vegetables have at least 10 to 20% proteins in them. It's perfect for people. Having an alkaline body reduces heart disease, autoimmune disorders, leaky gut syndrome. The list goes on and on, including skin disorders. So having a diet of vegetables and fruits and water, you will see your health improve within 60 days of doing this, and you will see remarkable changes. Your inflammation will go down in your body, so your arthritis will tend to reduce or go away completely. I know, for example, when I had an acid diet of meat and fruit and vegetables along with milk products, I was very inflammatory and all my joints ached. And being a doctor, I need my joints. I need to move. And I was sore in my neck, knees, hands, everything was swollen. This was for 15 years ago. So not being a naturopath then, I asked my naturopath who worked for me, he said, what should I do? And he said, stop eating meat, do a parasite cleanse, because all meat has parasites, and eat lots of healthy fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. Well, 6 days later, all my pain left 15 years ago, and not a single pain has come back. And I'm 61 and I have no arthritis whatsoever, no pain at all. It's all because I made my body alkaline and ate the good fruits and vegetables and water. So try it, 60 days only. And if it doesn't work, it won't work, but I guarantee you it will work, and you'll see the big changes. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and put them down below, and we'll get right back to you with answers.